chicken pho. So that's what I got: sprouts, basil, green onions, cilantro, chicken that I cleaned off, rinsed off, and also all these ingredients that I'm gonna throw in to create the broth and all. So I toss in the onion and the ginger. As you can see, the onion still has the skin. I sliced it in half, threw it in there so it can roast along with the ginger, which I peeled, I skinned. So I'm just trying to get a black texture on the bottom. So I'm roasting it right now in the pan. As you can see, this is how it's gonna look like. I'm also roasting the herbal pho mix that I bought at an Asian market, and also placing it in a bag that it came with and securing it for about 30 seconds. So I filled the water on the halfway line on a 6-quart pressure cooker. Also added 10 drumsticks that I purchased from Costco, threw the roasted onions and the ginger and also the bag of a herbal mix. And now I'm gonna throw in about this much yellow rock sugar, and I did put in 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and also added 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I think that's how you say it, but I purchased at Costco. And now I'm setting the timer. I'm gonna set it to 45 minutes. Stew it for 45 minutes. So have your veggies and your garnishes already on a plate, chopped up. And also rinse your chicken and shred them all up into pieces, however you like it. You can also have it with rice noodle or however you like it. This is how it's going to look like, you guys. So